Resveratrol is a class of plant micronutrients called polyphenols. Polyphenols are organic chemicals that plants make to survive drought or attack from disease. These compounds are found in plant foods and have a variety of health benefits. Resveratrol is found in peanuts, berries, and grapes. It is also found in red wine, even higher amounts, so you can drink red wine. Resveratrol has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to protect you against disease like cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. The anti-inflammatory effects of resveratrol make it a good remedy for arthritis and skin inflammation. Also, resveratrol has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help treat infections of the urinary and digestive tract. Health benefits of polyphenols like resveratrol are important to protect the body from free radical cellular damage. Free radicals form in the body naturally when your body breaks down food, you breathe in cigarette smoke, or if you're exposed to radiation. They are unstable and attack cells. They are also responsible for the development of some age-related diseases. Resveratrol can prevent these common conditions such as cancer. Many studies indicate that resveratrol could help prevent and treat certain types of cancer. Its anti-tumor effects include inhibiting cancer cell growth, cell signaling, angiogenesis, and promoting cell death. Studies have found that resveratrol negatively affects cancer at all stages of development. Most importantly, researchers have found that resveratrol makes chemotherapy more effective by blocking chemotherapy-resistant proteins. Cardiovascular disease. Numerous studies have explored resveratrol's role in preventing and managing cardiovascular disease. Resveratrol exhibits protective effects against blood vessel damage. Studies also show that it lowers cholesterol levels and prevents blood clots. Many researchers have concluded that resveratrol is a valuable micronutrient that can prevent heart disease in those at risk and help treat people with progressing cardiovascular conditions. Dementia and Alzheimer's disease. The anti-inflammatory properties of resveratrol are effective in controlling inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. Neuroinflammation, inflammation of the nervous system, is one factor that contributes to the progression of brain-related problems such as Alzheimer's disease, dementia, and multiple sclerosis. One study followed participants with Alzheimer's disease for 52 weeks to observe the therapeutic effect of resveratrol. One control group received the placebo, while another received resveratrol. For the group with the placebo, neurological biomarkers continued to decline over the observation period. However, the group receiving daily doses of resveratrol saw stabilization in those same biomarkers. So you can take resveratrol as a supplement. I do take this pure encapsulation resveratrol extra as a supplement. You just take it once a day, one capsule, pretty easy. You can also eat foods rich in resveratrol. There are two recipes. I'm not able to show you, I just don't have ingredients, but there are two recipes you can easily do at home. And I'm going to put the recipes in the description, but one of the recipes is a resveratrol crunch and munch. All you need are the following things. You need 2 cups of fresh blueberries, rinsed and completely dried, 2 cups fresh red grapes, rinsed and completely dried, 1 cup raw shelled walnuts, 3/4 cup dry roasted salted peanuts, 3/4 cups of chocolate chips. Get the dark, higher percentage of dark chocolate, and mix it all together, and you have a really nice, easy to make snack full of resveratrol. It's healthy for you, better than having candy or cake. You can eat it as a dessert. Directions on how to mix the mix. So after you rinse all your fruit, dry it completely on a kitchen towel. The fruit must be completely dry so things do not get mixed and get mushy. Place the blueberries and grapes into a mixing bowl or large ziploc bag. Add the walnuts, peanuts, and dark chocolate. By the way, if you don't want peanuts, don't put them in there. And coat everything together and store in the fridge and enjoy a handful for dessert as a snack. Another thing, and I don't drink, so this is not for me, but for those people who are entertained, Sangria is a really nice. For sangria, you need the following ingredients. You need a bottle of red wine, 1 cup of blackberries, 1 cup of raspberries, 1 cup of strawberries, 1/4 cup dried goji berries, 1 cup pomegranate juice, 1/2 cup freshly sweet grapefruit juice, 1 lemon cut in wheels, 1 lime, 1 orange, also cut in, everything cut up, sparkling water, organic lemon soda, kombucha, or sparkling wine. You can mix and match whatever you like and don't like. Mix it all together, put it in the refrigerator for overnight or a couple of hours before the party and enjoy it. It's superb, it tastes great. I don't drink a lot, but when I am able to drink sangria, I love it a lot. So this is another way to make something that is healthy for you, has a lot of resveratrol, and easy to make. If you like this video, you will like the next playlist, so watch it next.